Okay, so in this video and a series of videos on Worksheet 1 for acid bases and buffers, I'm going to show you how I would answer some of the questions to some of the problems on the sheet. And I'm really going to start with probably the first hard question on first hard section, which is section H of question 1. And the question's obviously there in front of you. So this is about finding the pH, but we've got a mass of sodium hydroxide and we've got a volume of solution. So quite simply, what we've got to do before we can work out the pH is to work out what the concentration in moles per decimetre cubed of the sodium hydroxide is. And the way we do that is, first of all, we work out how many moles of sodium hydroxide we've got. So we've got 15 grams of sodium hydroxide and the relative molecular mass of sodium hydroxide is 40. So to work out the number of moles, we do the following. So we've got 0.375 moles of sodium hydroxide, but that is not dissolved in a litre or 1,000 centimetres cubed. It's actually only dissolved in 750 centimetres cubed. So now what we've got to do is to work out the moles per decimetre cubed, and we do that like this. So now we have 0.375 times 1,000, it's 1,000 centimetres cubed, divided by 750 centimetres cubed, which is the volume we've got, and we get a final concentration of sodium hydroxide of 0.5 mole per decimetre cubed. And we know that sodium hydroxide is one of our strong bases or alkalis, so we can assume 100% dissociation. So pH now we can do quite simply by just logging the 0.5 mole per decimetre cubed, which will give us a value. And if we then take that value away from 14, we should end up with the correct pH. So let's give that a go. So there we go, that's pOH minus log of 0.5, which equals to 0.3. And if we now take this away from 14, we get the actual pH of the solution. So we end up with a pH of 14, take away 0.3, which gives us a final pH of 13.7. So the answer to the question above is 750 centimetres cubed of aqueous solution containing 15 grams of sodium hydroxide has a pH of 13.7. And that's it. Hope that is beneficial to you and gives you one method, or my method, of working out the answer to this question. Thanks. More answers to more sections of this worksheet will be covered in further how-to videos and may be beneficial to you in understanding and practicing how to do pH calculations.